Here we are at 8 Feed Street, more likely known as the Bromount, towering over downtown Orangeville with the fine dining, amenities, and boutique shopping, everything you could ask for. Now, this exceptionally maintained condominium building is everything that you could ask for. And we're going to be moving on up to the 8th floor with great views of downtown. So let's go take a look at this updated turnkey condominium, which is waiting for you.
Get it on the go. So pile your boots up in the corner, hanging your jacket from the door. There's 30 people in the kitchen, and there's always room for more. Oh, come on now, let's rock the world outside. Come on, I tell you now, she's going up tonight. Well, there'll be music all around you. You should see the way it feels. Come on, up we go now, hit a tone now to the jigs and reels. Cause somebody's got a fiddle and someone else brought a guitar. And we got Bobby on the squeeze box. Grab a chair and raise a jar. Oh, come on now, let's lock the world outside.
Well, as you can see, this is your chance to move on up here at the Bromount. Give our office a call for your personal tour or check out grinding.com for more information.